いっぱい鬼リプして、なんか日本語でリップって他の言葉あると思うけど忘れた。やっぱり再生？多分再生。鬼リップ。いっぱい鬼リップして、もしよかったら友達にも送ったら嬉しいです。鬼リップするよ、ありがとう。鬼再生。Yeah, I was just, I forgot what the word repeat is because I know saisei is the word for like replay or like view, but I don't know if it's the word that people use to like say, oh, I'm replaying something, oh, I'm repeating something. Because in my tweet, I was actually gonna put いっぱい再生してね, but then I was like, what does that not sound right? What does that not sound correct? So I just wrote something else. I already forgot what I wrote. But yeah, I hope you liked it. Audiotopia once again did some amazing fucking magic mixing. Let me see here. Hold on. たくさん見るよ、ありがとう。What else? I'm trying. Okay. I need Japanese speaking people to help because if I don't answer this question for myself, it will bug me for the rest of the stream in my head. If you say you're repeating something, like listening to something over and over again, do you actually use the word saisei or do you use another word? Do you actually say repeat or do you say like saisei or like if you were to tell someone, yeah, I'm going to repeat this. Maybe repeat かな? そうなんだ。リピートが、なるほど。リピートしてる。じゃあ、もし僕が、皆さんいっぱいリピートしてねって言ったら、それ、合ってるか？合ってる？伝わるよ。まあ、伝わるより、もっとしっかり、まあ、ちゃんと日本語を使いたいから、伝わるより、ちゃんと、なんだったっけ？ちゃんと使いたい。日本人もそう言うよ。なるほど。なるほど。じゃあ、リピートって、OK ってこと。なるほど。ありがとう !Thank you! いっぱい再生してねか、いっぱい聞いてねかな。なるほど。いっぱい見てねとかかな。日本人も再生よりリピートの方が安い。なるほど。OK、じゃあ、ありがとう。Thank you. 教えてくれてありがとうね、みんな。Yeah, I got really confused on like what words to use in Japanese. Because in my tweet, I was actually gonna put いっぱい再生してね, but then I was like, what does that not sound right? What does that not sound correct? So I just wrote something else. I already forgot what I wrote.